Children, let us continue the chapter polynomial. Now let us come to the exercise 4, that is the fourth exercise, which is based on factor theorem. Here the question is, first question is, determine which of the following polynomial has x plus 1 as a factor. The given polynomial is x cube plus x square plus x plus 1. Here we have to verify whether x plus 1 is a factor or not. Then what is factor theorem? The factor theorem says that let p of x be a polynomial of degree n greater than or equals to 1 and a be any real number, then x minus is a factor of p of x if p of a is equals to 0 and p of a is equals to 0 if x minus a is a factor of p of x. Here let us take p of x is a polynomial, that is x cube plus x square plus x plus 1, and we have to verify that whether x plus 1 is a factor or not. One polynomial is, the first polynomial is x cube plus x square plus x plus 1, and we have to verify whether x plus 1 is a factor or not. Now let us have p of x equals x cube plus x square plus x plus 1. Here if you have x minus a is equals to x plus 1, that is nothing but x minus of minus 1 it is. In the place of a there is what? Minus 1 is there. So in other words you can have x plus 1 is equals to 0 implies x is equals to minus 1. In the place of x, that you have to put x equals minus 1. That you have to find out p of minus 1 here. If p of minus 1 is 0, then you can say that x plus 1 is a factor of the given polynomial x cube plus x square plus x plus 1. So you find the p of minus 1 here, that is minus 1 whole cube. In the place of x we have to take minus 1. X cube means minus 1 the whole cube plus x square means minus 1 whole square plus minus 1 plus 1 it is. Then it is p of minus 1 is equals to minus 1 whole cube is minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 1, that is minus 1, plus minus 1 whole square means minus 1 into minus 1, that is 1, then minus 1 plus 1, that is p of minus 1 is equals to, you know that minus 1 plus 1 cancels, minus 1 plus 1 cancels, that is nothing but 2 minus 2 it is. So you will get 0 here. As you got p of minus 1 is equals to 0, then you can say that x plus 1 is a factor of the given polynomial p of x, that is x cube plus x square plus x plus 1. As p of minus 1 is equals to 0, but you can conclude x plus 1 is a factor of x plus 1 is a factor of x cube plus x square plus x plus 1. Now the second one is, again check x plus 1 is a factor of what? The second polynomial x to the power of 4 plus x cube plus x square plus x plus 1. So let us consider p of x equals x to the power of 4 plus x cube plus x square plus x plus 1. Again here same, you know that here we have to take x equals minus 1, that is x plus 1 is equals to 0 means what you have to take here? X minus 1, that means x minus of minus 1 it is. So here a is equals to minus 1, same here. So again you find minus 1 only, p of minus 1 only. Then it becomes minus 1 whole to the power of 4 plus minus 1 whole to the power of 3 plus minus 1 whole square plus minus 1 plus 1 it is. Then p of minus 1 is equals to minus 1 to the power of 4 means here it is a power is even means minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 1 becomes plus 1. Then minus 1 to the power of 3 is minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 1, that is minus minus plus minus, that is minus 1. Again minus 1 to the power of 2 is, that is even power with minus 1. So it is plus 1. Minus 1 plus 1. So you got this is 1 and this is minus 1. This is plus 1. This is minus 1. This is 1. Now P of minus 1 is equals to, you know that this cancels. This is cancels. What is remaining here? 1. That is nothing but 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 3. Minus 1 you add means you will get 3 minus 2, that is 1. So here you got that P of minus 1 is equals to 1, that is not equals to 0. So what you can say, as P of minus 1 is not equals to 0, x plus 1 is not a factor of x to the power of 4 plus x cube plus x square plus x plus 1 it is. Again to take the third question of the same main, that is third one. Third one is, again we have to verify x plus 1 is a factor of x to the power of 4 plus 3x cube plus 3x square plus x plus 1. So here you take, check, x plus 1 is a factor of x to the power of 4 plus 3x cube plus 3x square plus x plus 1 or not. So again here we have to take P of x equals x to the power of 4 plus 3x cube plus 3x square plus x plus 1. Same here, x plus 1 is equals to 0 means, that is x is equals to minus 1. So here x minus a means x minus of minus 1, that you have to find out P of minus 1 only. Same here. So you take P of minus 1 here. P of minus 1, that is minus 1 to the power of 4 plus 3 into minus 1 to the power of 3 plus 3 into minus 1 to the power of 2 plus minus 1 plus 1 it is. So it is P of minus 1 equals minus 1 to the power of 4 is 1. Minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 1, that is 1. Plus 3 into, again it is minus 1 to the power of 3 is minus 1. Plus 3 into 1 it is. Then plus into minus 1 is minus 1 into plus 1. Then P of minus 1 is equals to 1 minus 3 it is. 3 into minus 1 is minus 3 plus 3 minus 1 plus 1. So P of minus 1 is equals to, here we can cancel this minus 1 plus 1, then 3 minus 3, what is remaining here? 1. That is also not equals to 0. So again you got P of minus 1 is equals to 1, which is not equals to 0. So as P of minus 1 is not equals to 0, what you can conclude? X plus 1 is not a factor of x to the power of 4 plus 3x cube plus 3x square plus x plus 1. Then you take the fourth one. Fourth, the given polynomial is same, that is x cube minus x square minus of 2 plus whole root 2 x plus root 2. So you take, check whether x plus 1 is a factor of x to the power of 3 minus x square minus of 2 plus root 2 x plus 2 root 2. Here you take P of x equals x cube minus x square minus of 2 plus root 2 into x plus root 2. That is here, that is again you take x plus 1 is equals to 0 means x is equals to minus 1. So x minus a means x minus of minus 1. So you have to find out P of minus 1 it is. P of minus 1, you take P of minus 1. P of minus 1 is equals to minus 1 whole to the power of 3 minus of minus 1 whole to the power of 2 minus 2 plus root 2 into, that is minus 1 x value plus root 2 it is. Then it is p of minus 1 is equals to minus 1 whole cube is minus 1 minus of this is minus plus 1 it becomes. Then minus, you take 2 into minus 1 is minus 2, again minus root 2, that becomes plus root 2. So here this is multiplied by this, you got this one, again this is multiplied this, you got this one. 2 into minus 1 is minus 2, root 2 into minus 1 is, that is also minus root 2. Then here p of minus 1 minus 1 minus 1 minus of minus 2 is plus 2, again minus of minus root 2 plus root 2 it is. So you got, then p of minus 1 is equals to, you take minus 1 minus 1 minus 2, 2, then it is root 2 plus root 2 is 2 root 2 it is. So 2 2 cancels, you got p of minus 1 is equals to 2 root 2. P of minus 1 is equals to 2 root 2, which is not equals to 0, which is not equals to 0. So here what you can conclude, x plus 1 is not a factor of x cube minus x square minus of 2 plus root 2x plus root 2, right? As p of minus 1 is not equals to 0, x plus 1 is not a factor of, x cube minus x square minus of 2 plus root 2x plus root 2. Now you come to the second main question. Use the factor theorem to determine whether g of x is a factor of p of x in each of the following cases. The first one is p of x is 2x cube plus x square minus 2x minus 1. G of x is x plus 1. Here you know that this is nothing but x minus minus a it is. Here x plus 1 you can take. X plus 1 is equals to 0 implies x is equals to minus 1. So it is x minus of minus 1. So p of minus 1 you have to take. In the place of a, here you got minus 1. So you have to find out p of minus 1. If p of minus 1 is 0, then you can say that the g of x, x plus 1 is a factor of the given p of x. So you find p of 1 here, p of minus 1 here. P of minus 1 is equals to 2 into minus 1 whole cube plus minus 1 whole square minus 2 into minus 1 it is. So p of minus 1 is equals to 2, minus 1 whole cube is minus 1 and it is plus 1, minus 2 of into minus 1 is plus 2 minus 1 it is. Then p of minus 1 is equals to 2 into minus 1 is minus 2 plus 1 plus 2 minus 1. Here p of minus 1 is equals to, you know that minus 2 plus 2 cancels, 1 and minus 1 cancels. That is nothing but 3 minus 3 it is. 2 plus 1 is 3, minus 2 minus 1 sum is also, that is minus 3. So it is nothing but 3 minus 3, or otherwise you can cancel minus 2 plus 2 minus 1 plus 1. So you will get 0 here. P of minus 1 is 0. As p of minus 1 is equals to 0, g of x equals x plus 1 is a factor of p of x equals 2x cube plus x square minus 2x minus 1. That is according to the factor theorem. Here we used factor theorem. Now you take the second one. What is second one? P of x equals x cube plus 3x square plus 3x plus 1, and g of x equals x plus 2 it is. G of x equals x plus 2. Here you take x plus 2 is equals to 0 implies x is equals to minus 2. That is p of minus 2 that you have to find out. P of minus 2. If p of minus 2 is equals to 0, then you can say that here x plus 2 is a factor of x cube plus 3x square plus 3x plus 1. Hence, then you get p of minus 2. P of minus 2 is equals to minus 2 whole cube plus 3 into minus 2 square plus 3 into minus 2 plus 1. So it is p of minus 2 is equals to minus 2 whole cube is minus 2 into minus 2 into minus 2, that is minus 8. So here minus 2 into minus 2 into minus 2, minus into minus is minus, here 2 into 2 into 2 is 8. You know that 2 cube is 8. So minus 2 whole cube is also 8. Plus 3 into 4 it is. Then 3 into minus 2 is minus 6 plus 1 it is. Then p of minus 2 is equals to minus 8. 3 4s are 12. 12 minus 6 plus 1. P of minus 2 is equals to, add these two positives, that becomes 13 here is equals to 12 plus 1 is 13, and minus 8 and minus 6. The sum of minus 8 and minus 6, that is minus 14. Add minus 8 minus 6 as they are having the same sign. So 8 plus 6 is 14 and the sign is here minus. Then p of minus 2 is equals to 13 minus 14 is minus 1. 14 minus 13 is 1. The greater number 14 is having negative sign. So you got minus 1. This is not equals to 0. This is not equals to 0. So what you can say here, as p of minus 2 is not equals to 0, you can say g of x equals x plus 2 is a factor of p of x equals x cube plus 3x square plus 3x plus 1. Then you take the third one here. Third one is, what is that? P of x equals x cube minus 4x square plus x plus 6. G of x is x minus 3. So we have x minus 3 is equals to 0. So x equals 3 you take. So that is p of 3. That you have to take p of 3. That is nothing but, here you can have, that is x minus a. Here a is equals to 3 you got. So what you have to find out here? P of 3. Let us check whether p of 3 is 0 or not. So you find p of 3 is equals to 3 cube minus 4 into 3 square plus 3 plus 6 it is. Then 3 cube is 3 into 3 into 3. 3 cube means 3 into 3 into 3, that is 27 you can take. This is 27 minus 4 into 3 square means 3 into 3, that is 9 plus 3 plus 6 it is. Then it is 27 minus 36 plus 3 plus 6. Then here you add the positives, these 3. 27 plus 3 is 30. 30 plus 6 is 36 minus 36. So P of 3 is 36 minus 36. Here you got 36 minus 36 is 0. As P of 3 is equals to 0, you can say that x minus 3 is a factor of x cube minus 4x square plus x plus 6. So you write as P of 3 is equals to 0. You can say directly you can write g of x is a factor of P of x. Here g of x is x minus 3, P of x is x cube minus 4x square plus x plus 6. So the third one is completed here. Now you come to the third question. Find the value of k if x minus 1 is a factor of P of x in each of the following cases. The first one is P of x equals x square plus x plus k. Here it is given that x minus 1 is a factor. Here if x minus 1 is a factor, that is x minus 1 is equals to 0 means you will get P of 1 must be equals to 0. Here P of 1 must be equals to 0. As you know that x minus 1 is equals to 0 means x equals 1. So as x minus 1 is a factor of given P of x, then P of 1 must be equals to 0. Therefore here you take P of 1, that is equals to 1 square plus 1 plus k must be equals to 0. Here you take first here P of 1 must be equals to 0. Here you write, that is P of 1 is equals to 1 square plus 1 plus k is equals to 0. K is equals to 0. That is 1 plus 1 plus k is equals to 0. So it is 2 plus k is equals to 0. So k is equals to minus 2. Now the second one, that is P of x equals 2x square plus kx plus root 2, and it is also given that x minus 1 is its factor. X minus 1 is its factor. As you know that as x minus 1 is its factor means P of 1 is equals to 0. P of 1 must be equals to 0 here. P of 1 must be equals to 0. So you take P of 1 must be equals to 0. Then P of 1 is equals to 2 into 1 square plus k into 1 plus root 2 is equals to 0. That is 2 into 1 plus k plus root 2 is equals to 0. 2 plus k plus root 2 is equals to 0. Then you take k is equals to, that is minus 2 minus root 2. Minus 2 minus root 2. The value of k, or you can take k is equals to minus of 2 plus root 2 if 2 is removed outside here. Therefore here the value of k you got, that is k is equals to minus of 2 plus root 2, and here as x minus 1 is a factor means P of 1 must be equals to 0, and taking the values of x equals 1 we got the value of k. Next the third one. What is that third one? P of x equals kx square minus root 2x plus 1. Then its factor is again same, x minus 1 is its factor. Again here P of minus 1 must be equals to 0. As x minus 1 is its factor, P of 1 must be equals to 0. So you take P of 1 is equals to 0. So P of 1 is equals to k into 1 square minus root 2 into 1 plus 1 is equals to 0 it is. That is k into 1 minus root 2 into 1 is root 2 plus 1 is equals to 0. K into 1 is k minus root 2 plus 1 is equals to 0. You transfer this minus 2 plus 1 to RHS, that becomes k is equals to minus root 2 becomes plus root 2. Root 2 plus 1 becomes minus 1 it is. So you got the value of k is root 2 minus 1. Then you take the fourth one. Fourth one is P of x equals kx square minus 3x plus k it is. Its factor is x minus 1 is its factor. So again here P of 1 must be equals to 0. As its factor, we can say that P of 1 must be equals to 0. You take P of 1 must be equals to 0. So P of 1 is equals to what? K into 1 square minus 3 into 1 plus k must be equals to 0. So it is k into 1 minus 3 plus k is equals to 0. So it is k minus 3 plus k is equals to 0. So k plus k, that is 2k minus 3 is equals to 0. Then you transfer that 2k is equals to 3 here. 0 plus 3 is 3 and k is equals to 3 by 2. K you got. What is the value of k here? Value of k is 3 by 2.